Hello, students of Class 7. Welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for Class 7 Chemistry, and the chapter that I will start today is the matter and its components. Okay, so matter and the compositions of the matter are the main topic of this chapter. You all know that everything that you can see out of you, like the different kind of the things, it can be a book, it can be a paper, it can be soil, water, everything uh, actually contains some matter, right? We also see that what the things that are the immutable objects or the daily life using objects all are made by some of the compounds, and these are also by matters. So some of them are living, some of them are non-living as well. These are things like living things like human, like animals, like plants, and non-living like paper, like a house, like your school. Everything is composed of some materials, right? These are the matters. So the substances by which these things are made up of are called matters. Okay. So what is the definition of the matter? First, we will going to review. So the first topic is matter. So what is matter? The matter is anything that has mass and perceived by, also occupies some space, and can be perceived by our senses. Okay, so these are the matters. These are made by something that have some specific mass and obviously occupy some space and can be perceived by our sense organs. You all know that you have five type of sense organs. What are they? Like nose, like tongue, like your eyes, like your ear, and the skin. Okay, by these sense organs you can touch them, you can feel them. These are all matters. So the meaning of the matter is not only that which we can only touch, and also we can feel like air. Okay, so this air we can feel by our skin, so it is also one matter. So all that things like water, sugar, alcohol, milk, gold, coal, hydrogen, oxygen, rocks, all are matter because it is occupies some space. So the things that can be occupied some space, it's called matter. So, what does the matter only thing that kind of exist? Does matter of only one kind exist? What are they? Like, no, there are different kind of the matter, like metals, like clothes, like leathers, like wool, like plastics. Their compositions are also different, and if you are touching them, their things like their feelings are also very much different. Okay, so the first we are going to learn about some activities or some characteristics of the matter which we are going to learn about about by these activities. Okay, so the first one of this part, that matter has mass and it occupies some space. Okay, so the first will be matter has mass and it occupies some space. Okay, so this is the first thing or first statement that we are going to know, that we are going to understand by some kind of the activities. So let's check them. So it is the activity one. This this is a picture that you can see that there is two glass tumblers are present, and actually it is marked In the left one, two glass tumblers within this. In the left one, you can see that there is some water, and obviously in the right one also the same amount of water is present. Okay, so you have to take one glass tumbler and fill those with 1/3 of the water, and you have to put one mark on it. Okay, and you can put the mark in both of the glasses. Okay, that can measure the level of the water that you pour onto it. Okay, so now weigh this on a balance. Okay, so now in the second step, you have to take some of the marbles and you have to put it in the second glass, on the second glass, and you must put it one by one, not all together. You have to put it one by one. Okay, so when you are like throwing these marbles or putting these marbles on this water of the second glass, you will see that after some time you can perfectly notice that the water level crosses the mark and it got rises. Okay, so that means what? That means the marbles are occupying some space. So that is why the water level is increasing, and actually that can be only shown by which that the marbles are occupy some space, as well the water also occupies. So that is why the water level of the second glass is rising. So you will find that the second mass is greater than the first one now. So firstly, you took the same amount of water in both glasses and marked. The first one is in the same way, same state, but the second one marked, the water rises up to the mark, right? And that proves that marbles have also mass. Okay, and that finally it can prove that the matter has mass, and obviously it occupies some space. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the definition of the mass. Okay, so mass means the quantity of matter that a body contains. Okay, it is known by mass. And what is one more thing, that is volume. Okay, so what is volume? Volume means the space occupied by a body called its volume. Okay, so we just learned one activity and the definition of matter, mass and volume in this video. In the next video we will discuss further. Till then, thank you.